Yo, welcome back. Welcome to episode 3 of the Bud and Grub Show with your boy Jay and Mr. E. I told y'all I had something different for y'all today, so we working on the brioche bread today. I skipped one part without y'all. I went on and went ahead, but that's just because it needed time to rest. Brioche bread, I'm not gonna say where that shit from. I ain't gonna lie to you. I used to make it in my Italian restaurant though, so I guess we're gonna go with that. Yeah, it's a good bread. It can be savory or sweet. You can have it for dinner time and it be savory, or you can have it sometime earlier than that and it be sweet with, you know, nice little sugar crystals on top or whatever. Yeah, we're gonna make some of those today. Might be the pull apart dough, might be the braided bread, but that's what we're working with today. So let's go ahead and get started. Let me show y'all what we got today and what we're gonna need for it. All right, so right now we just got simple stuff. Flour, sugar, a little bit of salt. I got some eggs plus an extra just egg yolk. No egg whites with it. Just one extra egg yolk. But in this bowl right here, I got milk, a little bit of honey, and some yeast in here. Start mixing on medium. And you want to just slowly throw everything in. Got my honey on the side. I'm gonna go ahead, throw that in there too. So it's gonna have a little extra sweeten to it. And then yeah, while you wait and that's mixing, I got my special stuff getting ready to soften up. You know what that is. That's good. That's what's really gonna help this whole thing come together. You're gonna cut it in fours really. So it's softening up on me now. So yeah, I'm gonna just really have it come break this in at least roughly 4 pieces and toss them in there every 2 minutes until I get the consistency I want. And then after that, I'm gonna speed the mixer on the high speed for at least 12 minutes. It's between 10 to 15. I like to do 12. But then yeah, we're gonna show y'all how the dough look after that. But I got all the butter incorporated right now so you can see. So right now what we're gonna do is turn it up to speed 5 or 6. And we're just gonna let that rock out for like 10 to 12 minutes so it can all come together. And then you go ahead and get ready to proof it for an hour. And then I'm gonna talk to you about how you can proof something in your house if you don't really got no actual proof box. So this is what your dough should look like. Check the consistency. It looks tacky, but it shouldn't really stick to your finger at all. You wanna get your spatula and scrape everything off into the bowl before you dump it on the table. Cue slow-mo pour. And we're just gonna stretch it out a little bit. And you're gonna take each side, fold it in the middle. Turn it into a dough ball. Now usually you can use cooking spray if you're using regular, you know, if this is just a virgin dough, but this ain't no virgin dough, so we're gonna use a little bit left of this. Sprinkle that in there and spread the dough around. If y'all like me and y'all ain't really got no proof box, what I usually do is I take me plastic wrap, because to proof you want you a kind of warm and a damp spot, somewhere where it could, so the dough could sweat. I just put my oven on, cut my oven on, put it right on top of the freezer for an hour. Be back an hour and a day later. You can see that through the plastic. The nice little chop to knock it down. There you go. There you go. Nice little knockdown. Ooh, look at, ooh. Oh. Man, if you know, you know. Oh my God. It's the reason OMG ran with 420. Drop it on the scale. We're gonna do about 4. I divided half of my dough into thirds. So I'm gonna go ahead and get ready. I'm gonna do my braided brioche bread first and show y'all how to do that. So just need a little dough. All right, so I got my 3 doughs rolled out. I'm gonna admit, I'm gonna be honest with y'all. My dough was probably a little too much butter. Oh, man, if you know, you know. So it ain't rolled out the way I wanted to, but it's cool. I bet it still come out how I wanted to though, it'll be all right. But yeah, I'm just gonna show y'all this braiding process on how you could do it before you put it in your baking pan, and also oil in your baking pan and all too, so I don't even know. But why you let me braid this shit, bro? There we go. Now I feel like I should do all that shit over. So I got my bread braided, as you can see. So next, like I say, just to oil your pan, just to grease it the right way. You want to use a little bit of cooking spray as well. And you're gonna get you some flour. And you know, you're just gonna kind of move the flour all over the pan. Press them down so that way, you know, it fits the size a little bit more. Like I say, you're gonna cuff it down like that. Drop it right in there. So you're gonna let that proof will double in size. Proof just means double up, come up, rise. So you're gonna let that go for 2 hours, at least an hour and some change, hour and a half. Check on it. But yeah, 2 hours, and you'll be ready to throw it in the oven by then. We got our oven set. So once this 2 hours done, we're gonna come back and show y'all our final step before we go on and bake it off. Been about an hour and a half, so we're gonna go ahead and see what it look like. See that? So next, for our egg wash, we're just gonna take some of that with our brush the bread a little bit so it help give it a little color while it cook. No egg whites, just egg yolk. Put the lid on there, put it in the oven, 35, 45 minutes, maybe 40, truth be told, but yeah, see y'all in a bit. We're gonna see what it's looking like. Fresh out the oven. You see that smoke, man? Yeah, look at that. Oh yeah, we there. See the braid a little bit. But there you go. Admire it, look at it. Fresh brioche, people. All right, y'all. So I hope y'all enjoyed this episode where we showed y'all how to make this fresh ass brioche bread. So stay tuned till next episode. I'm gonna show y'all what all we could do with this bread, or at least one of the items that I really want to show y'all what we could do with it. You know, I try to do nothing but fancy fast style type desserts for y'all on this damn show. So we're gonna show y'all, we're gonna keep it a surprise, but hopefully y'all enjoy what y'all see next. So thanks for tuning in to episode 3, and we'll see y'all next time. Y'all be smooth.